Alright, what's going on? We finally got the box I've been waiting for, so without further ado, let's go ahead and open it and we'll do a little unboxing for you guys. As you can already tell from the title of the video, you kind of already know what it is. But before we actually do open this, keep in mind, I ordered this last week and it got here within a week, so that's pretty fast shipping. And this was from shopchevyparts.com. It's not from the Chevy website. I will leave this link in the description box down below, so if you guys figure this is something you want to do, then that's where you can find it. Pretty light of a box, nothing crazy on here. Okay, first things first is a little important disclaimer telling you to go ahead on Chevy.com to find the instructions for this. But I will be doing an install video to show you guys more in detail on how to do that, because currently on YouTube there are no install videos. So, what is in this box? So here is our Chevy glow tie. Okay, this is for our 2020 Blazer RS. This is going to fit your models 2019 through 2021 currently, and it's pretty heavy for what this is. Nice protected sealant on there, a little plastic on there. Looks like you have a alcohol wipe, help clean the surfaces of what you're going to be messing with. You have a wiring harness, okay? And last but not least, this kit also comes with the black bow tie as well. This is just the basic black bow tie. Our car currently has one on there, so we really don't need that. Probably leave that up for sale, but that's what comes in the kit. And that is all that's in this box. So once again, you have the rear Chevy bow tie. You have the front, which is also the glow tie portion. On the back it has like quality pass stickers making sure it works. Nice little alcohol wipe provided for you. And then you have your wiring harness. So within this harness you also have little zip ties. But yeah, no instructions in here. This right here tells you where to get those instructions. Pretty simple, but I'll leave that all down in the description below. So just to show you guys, shopchevyparts.com. Have it pulled up here on the phone. And here is the 2020 Blazer bow tie, which is what we just have in this box. So this is an OEM part. However, if you go to Chevy.com, you'll be paying around $340, whereas here you're paying $255. So if you guys are looking at getting one of these, definitely go through this website. It is OEM, promise you. Nothing different, so go ahead and save yourself some money. Alright, so that's going to wrap up today's video. I just want to go ahead and do this little unboxing video for you guys, as there are none on YouTube at the moment. So again, expect that installation video, so if you guys haven't already, consider subscribing. That way you don't miss any updates, and if this is something that you want to do, there will be a video for that. So without further ado, just want to say thanks for watching. Never live your life in idle, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.